Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best way to deposit fiat on Kraken. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want the safest and fastest and easiest way to get money into Kraken, the best method depends on where you live. For most United States users, ACH deposit are the go-to. They are free, fast, and connect directly to your bank. Just link your bank account in Kraken, verify ownership, and you can move money in with no fee while keeping everything simple. If you need your funds to arrive even fast or you are moving a large amount, FedWire or SwiftWire transfer are the next best option. Wire usually land the same day or within one business day, and they were far more consistent for bigger deposit. Outside the United States, SEPA for EU users and fast payment for UK users are the most reliable low-cost choice. So for every trader or multi-currency users, depositing through external custody gives extra flexibility across USD, Euro, and other major currencies, though it had one extra step. So if this helped, hit like, subscribe for more quick crypto guide, and drop a comment if you want a full walkthrough on linking your bank to Kraken. And that's it.